Hi, my name is Jaime Andrea Salguero Quintana. I am I'm 20 years old. I'm from Puerto Salgar. My group 951 and I'm studying industrial engineering. Last week I went to Santa Marta with my friend Anna. I never was there. It was my first time and I love it. We rented a small apartment and enjoy a private beach. There was so few people that we had the opportunity to go there as many times as we wanted. We also found a gorgeous place to eat closer to the beach where we have lunch every day. We ate a lot of fried fish, drank beer and had a great time. I never thought to have so good time in a so simple way. We enjoyed the company of a German group of students that made us laugh until we cried. The beaches were really beautiful. The sun was or the sun was warm and soft. The sea seemed a blue deep pool with soft waves and fresh water. The weather also terrific. Sun with sun clouds and a refreshing breeze. I just turned a little bit red. It didn't jure, and despite the long time I lay near to the sea, I didn't have sunburn. At night, sometimes we had mojitos or other cocktails at the balcony, and we spent the time just laughing, gossiping, or eating the sound of the sea so close to us. On Monday, we go back to Bogota. I have always loved this city, love my job, my family, my friends, and all the love and on the little thing of my daily life here, but I will try to head back to Santa Marta as often as possible.